Yes, students, as I had told you that I will send you one more video today. In the previous video, I had told you, and the reading of the chapter number 6 was completed in the previous chapter. So now we'll start with the exercise of chapter number 6 of First Flight, that was the 100 Dresses part 2. So on page number 74, there was first question. It was, what did Mr. Petronsky letter say? Mr. Wanda का जो father था, the name is not mentioned here, so it is written here Mr. Petronsky. So what did his letter say? उसके letter में क्या लिखा था? Petronsky's letter said that Wanda won't come to school anymore. They were moving to a big city. There would be no more fun on names. There were plenty of funny names in the city. क्योंकि वांडा का मजाक उड़ाया जाता था. वांडा घर जाके बताती होगी कि मेरे साथ ऐसा बिहेव होता है स्कूल में. सो द फादर ऑफ वांडा हैड टेकन द डिसीजन ऑफ लिविंग दिस सिटी एंड मूव टू अ बिग सिटी. The second question is Miss Mason angry with the class or is she unhappy and upset? मिस मैसन थी, वो ऐसे बिहेवियर से क्या थी, कैसी थी वो क्लास से? एंग्री थी, अनहैप्पी थी या अपसेट थी? सो मिस मैसन इज़ अनहैप्पी एंड अपसेट विद द class. She calls it unfortunate. It all happened in utter thoughtlessness. She asked the class to think not to hurt anyone's feelings because of a longer name. Then the next question you can get from your book. The third question is, how does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Wanda's father? Maddie feels greatly hurt. She has a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. She looks silent. She has a feeling to go and tell Wanda that they hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. Maddie बहुत डिस्ट्रेस थी वांडा के लेटर के बाद. She wanted to meet Wanda and say her that they wouldn't mean to hurt her feelings. Question number 4 is, what does Maddie want to do? Maddie क्या करना चाहती है? Maddie wants to go Wanda at once. She would tell her that they hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. She thinks to tell Wanda that they thought her to be smart. Also her dresses were very beautiful. कि उनका उसका मजाक उड़ाने का इस तरीके से कोई मतलब नहीं था, स्पेशली मैडी का, बिकॉज शी ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू एन एवरेज मिडल क्लास फैमिली, बट पैगी बिलोंग टू अ हाई स्टेटस फैमिली. दैट्स वाई इट वॉज her habit to make fun of the others. Yes, now there are other oral comprehension check questions on page number 76. So first question is, what excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior? Why? Peggy thinks up that she didn't call her a foreigner. She also didn't make fun of her name. She thought that Wanda was too dumb. She never thought that she could know that they were mocking at her. Peggy ये सोचती थी कि वांडा जो है वो सेंसलेस है और उसको कभी भी इस बात का अंदाज़ा नहीं होगा कि हम जो भी करते हैं वो उसका मजाक उड़ाने के लिए करते हैं. सेकेंड इज़, व्हाट वर मैडीज थॉट्स एज दे गो टू बॉगिन्स हाइट्स? जब वो बॉगिन्स हाइट्स जाते हैं तो मैडी के थॉट्स क्या थे? मैडी होप दैट दे वुड फाइंड वांडा. शी वॉन्टेड टू टेल हर दैट दे वर वेरी सॉरी. The whole school thought that she was just wonderful. All would be nice to her. She should not move away from there. She and Peggy would fight anybody who was not nice to her. Next question is, why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue ड्रेस? वांडा का जो घर है वहाँ पे जाके उनको वांडा की ब्लू ड्रेस की याद क्यों आती है? बिकॉज वांडा मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यूजेस टू वियर द ब्लू ड्रेस. सो वांडाज हाउस रिमाइंड्स मैडी ऑफ वांडाज ब्लू ड्रेस बिकॉज बोथ लुक सिमिलर. मीन्स वांडाज हाउस ऑल्सो लुक लाइक वांडाज ड्रेस. इट वॉज shabby but clean. So Wanda's faded blue cotton dress was. Next question is, what does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? She decided not to stand by anymore and say nothing again. She would speak up if she heard anybody speaking badly or treating others unkindly. She wouldn't mind losing Peggy's friendship for that. She decided never to make anybody unhappy. अब वो क्या सोचती थी मैडी, और उसने क्या डिसीजन लिया कि किसी को भी कभी भी नाखुश नहीं करना है. Always try to make everyone happy. Then questions of page number 79. What did the girls write to Wanda? Girls name means Peggy and मैडी ने वांडा को क्या लिखा था? The girls wrote about Wanda's pretty drawings. They asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. उसका एड्रेस, उसका रिज़ल्ट आने के बाद ड्राइंग का उन्होंने एक लेटर लिखा था. उसमें उससे पूछा था कि क्या नया प्लेस उसे पसंद आया और नई टीचर पसंद आई. They regretted over what had happened. It was a friendly letter. Next is, did they get a reply? क्या उनको एक रिप्लाई मिला था इस चीज़ का? No, they didn't get any reply. Who was more anxious for a reply? Peggy और मैडी? कौन ज़्यादा ईगर था लेटर के आंसर के लिए? Maddie was more anxious for a reply because Maddie was belonging to a middle class family, and as Peggy was belong to a high status family, so she didn't think much about Wanda when she had left the school. How do you know? We can say so because Maddie burst out crying stop as per her decision. It was that she would not allow anybody to hurt others or make fun of them. इस इंसिडेंट के बाद उसने ये डिसीजन लिया था कि वो आगे से किसी की फीलिंग्स को हर्ट नहीं करेगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, how did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? So bete, who are the girls here? The girls are Peggy and Maddie, especially because from the whole class we are getting the discussions about Maddie and Peggy only. So how can we say that the girls were liking, that Wanda was still liking the girls? So girls knew that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her from Wanda's letters. जो letter Wanda ने Miss Mason को लिखा था, in that letter she had mentioned that the dresses which she had drawn, from those dresses one should be given to Peggy and others to Maggie as a Christmas gift. So now there are questions of thinking about the text on page number 79. First one is, why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्यों उनकी फैमिली शिफ्ट हुई थी? तो फैमिली मूव्ड ड्यू टू रेशियल प्रिजुडिस. रेशियल मीन्स रेस को लेके, रेसिज्म को लेके उनको पॉलिश कम्युनिटी के बोला गया था, एंड पॉलिश कम्युनिटी माइट बी सम लोअर कम्युनिटी देयर. और उसका जो नेम था, नेम के लिए भी उसका बहुत मजाक उड़ाया जाता था. एंड दैट्स वाई द फादर couldn't bear this. The father of Wanda couldn't bear this, and he decided to move to the other city, the big city where the people will not be so harsh to make fun of someone. Next is, Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? कि मैडी को ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसकी जो चुप्पी है वो उतनी ही बुरी है जैसे कि पैगी का टीज करना. क्या वो सही थी? येस, मैडी थॉट दैट हर साइलेंस वॉज एज बैड एज पैगीज टीजिंग बिकॉज इट अमाउंटेड टू सपोर्ट पैगी. शी वॉज राइट इन थिंकिंग सो. Next is, Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb and gee. Look how can she draw? What led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? So, Peggy क्या बोलती है कि मैं नहीं सोचती कि उसको कभी ये भी समझ आता होगा कि हम उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, एंड मेरे को लगता है दैट शी इज़ टू डम, एंड उसको ये भी नहीं पता कि ड्राइंग कैसे करते हैं. पैगी ऐसा क्यों मानती थी? सो एक्चुअली वांडा हैड नेवर गिवन रिएक्शन टू एनी ऑफ पैगीज टीजिंग. शी ऑलवेज behaved in an ignorant way. she was always very silent and serious, and that's why Peggy was thinking so. Otherwise, Wanda was never dumb, and she was a very good artist. But Peggy changed her opinion later. It is clear in her regretting later. And so she wrote a letter of apology also. Next is, what important decision did Maddie make? Maddie ने कौन सा important decision लिया था? Maddie decided that in future she would not make fun of anybody, and she would not, moreover उसने क्या बोला था, that she would never remain silent if someone other would make fun of someone in front of her. Why did she have to think hard to do so? She had to think hard to do so because it might disturb others. Next is, why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of dresses? आपके अकॉर्डिंग Wanda ने Maddie और Peggy को drawings क्यों दी थी? Because she had received, we can say that she had received the letter written by Maddie and Peggy, because in the letter which she had written to Miss Mason, she had mentioned that here the teacher is not like Miss Mason, and even the students are also not like so. And लेकिन फिर भी उसने अपने लेटर में क्या लिखा था, that she wants to give one of her dresses to Peggy and Maddie. तो इससे हम बोल सकते हैं कि मैडी और पैगी स्टिल उसके माइंड में थी. वाई आर दे सरप्राइज्ड? और वो इतनी सरप्राइज्ड क्यों होती है फिर? शी शोड थ्रू दिस दैट शी वॉज अबव प्रिटी थिंग्स. इससे क्या पता लगता है, जब उसने ड्रेसेस देने वाली लाइन लिखी थी लेटर में, तो इससे क्या पता चलता है कि वो इन मटीरियलिस्टिक चीज़ों से बहुत ऊपर थी, जिन चीज़ों को लेके उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, जैसे कि ड्रेसेस एंड द पेयर्स ऑफ शूज़. एंड सो वी कैन से दैट ह्यूमन वैल्यूज़ एंड क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ माइंड वर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट दैन द ड्रेसेस. And why are the girls surprised? They are surprised because the drawings had their individual faces drawn in them. So the last question is, do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? क्या आपको लगता है कि Wanda को समझ आती थी कि गर्ल्स उसको really tease कर रही हैं? Yes. Wanda was a very sensitive girl. Moreover, she was very intelligent also. She had the power to understand everything. She had more understanding and maturity of mind. This she showed in her drawing and letter by sketching them and forgiving them. So with this, the chapter is complete, and now in next video you will get some grammar work. Okay, bye.